First question. In an experiment, saliva is added to test tube containing pieces of bread. What will be the result? What does saliva contain? Saliva contains salivary amylase, right? And so what will happen here? It will break down, and bread will contain what? Carbohydrate. So salivary amylase will break down carbohydrate into simple sugar, okay? In the second one, name the intermediate and end product of breakdown of glucose in aerobic respiration. This one you can answer. In aerobic respiration, what happens? It happens in presence of oxygen. And here in the question, what is it asking? About the intermediate and about the end product. Intermediate, in the between, we have what? From glucose to pyruvate. So intermediate is pyruvate plus energy. And after that, the end product, we have carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This should be the answer. Next, state the role and function of the following. Blood and WBC. What is the function? Blood, its function is transport of nutrition, oxygen, carbon dioxide, urea, hormone, etc. Okay. And WBC, it kills germs, pathogens, okay, for immunity. Next, what will happen if platelets were absent in the blood? What will happen? At the site of injury, there won't be any blood clotting. So blood will continue to flow. Because of that, it will be fatal. Now the fifth question. The volume of glomerular filtrate produced is 180 liter. But the volume of urine excreted is just 1 to 2 liter. Give suitable reason for this statement. Rest of the filtrate, right? It is reobserved. Okay, the fluid is reobserved. Only 1 to 2 liter are excreted as urine. That is the answer. Next, define excretion and write to vital function of kidney. This one is easy, right? You can answer, right, Rudnil?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell?
Ma'am, for the fifth one.
Sixth one.
Excretion is the process of removing the waste material out of the body.
Yes, that's all. That is that metabolic waste. Okay. Now, vital function of kidney.
Ma'am, it further filters the water, the urine.
Yes, excess water, and one more thing, removing the nitrogenous waste. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all. And next, explain with help of neat and well-balanced diagram the different steps involved in the nutrition in amoeba. This one, right? This one. What happens first? The pseudopodia will surround that food particle, and after that it will engulf and it will form food vacuole. Okay. And the enzymes will enter the food vacuole, and the food will be what? Digested in absorption. And in assimilation, the food will be used and amoeba will grow. And next, after that, it will use the waste, the undigested food materials, right, will be thrown out. That's all. Next, why do veins have thin walls as compared to arteries? Because the blood, right, emerges from heart, okay, and it is in high pressure. Because of that, the arteries has thick wall. Then describe the process of breathing in human beings. We have three things here. First, inhalation. Next, gaseous exchange. And next, we have exhalation. In inhalation, what will happen? Air will come in, right? We'll inhale air, and in that, oxygen will come in. And in gaseous exchange, there will be exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay. In exhalation, what will happen? Carbon dioxide will go out. That's all. Here in inhalation, how we breathe in, ribs will move up, and the diaphragm will flatten. Because of that, chest cavity will become larger. Okay, it will become larger. So air will get sucked in. And in this case, what will happen here? The ribs will move down, and diaphragm will become what? Dome shaped. And because of this, the chest cavity will become smaller, and the air will be pushed out of the lungs. Okay. Next one, name the following. This 5-6 questions are very easy, right? The process in which plants plants that link light energy into chemical energy. What is that process? Photosynthesis. Okay. Organism that can prepare their own food. This one, autotrophs. Okay. Cell organs where photosynthesis occur. Chloroplast. Cells that surround a stomatal pore. What is that? Guard cell. Okay. Organism that cannot prepare their own food. Heterotrophs. Enzyme secreted from gastric gland in stomach that acts on protein. What is that? Pepsin. Draw a knee diagram of human excretory system and label the following parts: urethra, kidney, ureter, and urinary bladder. See this. What is it asking? Urethra. Here only urine is excreted out. Then kidney, filtration occurs here. And ureter, it is the conducting that it carries, right? Urine from kidney to the bladder, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, it stores urine. Next, what are nephrons? How is nephron involved in filtration of blood and formation of urine? See, this is kidney. Nephron consists of Bowman's capsule and tubule, and there are millions of nephron. And nephron is structural and functional unit of kidney. This nephron only filters the blood, and it will form what? Urine. How does this happen? Here we have the glomerulus. Here only the filters happen, okay? And here we have the tubule. Filter will happen here, filtration, okay? And the unwanted substance will come here, and the big substance can't go, okay? The smaller substance can come here, and you can see here glomerulus, the filter containing the glucose, amino acid, the salts, and urea. It will come here, and what will happen? Reabsorption will happen. The amino acids, salts, right? Useful salts, water, all this, what will happen? It will get reabsorbed, and it will form what? Clean blood. Okay, this is very large. 1 minute. Okay, this clean blood, and the other one will form urine. Excess water, salts, and all urea will form urine. Okay. Now next is describe the 12th one. Okay, this is 12th one. Describe the flow of blood through heart of human beings. This is how it happens from this diagram. You can see lungs. The pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood from lungs, and it will flow into the what? Left atrium. And left atrium, from left atrium it will go to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle the main artery, that is aorta, will carry oxygenated blood to all parts of the body organs. Okay. Next, from there the body will use the oxygen, and then will give out carbon dioxide. Okay. So now the deoxygenated blood from the body parts, right? Main vein or vena cava, it will carry, and it will go to the what? Right atrium. And from right atrium, the deoxygenated blood, right, will be carried by pulmonary artery to the lungs, back to the lungs. So this is the cycle, the flow of blood. So LFP TS1 over